go over your head. The idiom, go over your head, is used to describe a situation where someone fails to understand something because it is too complex or difficult for them to comprehend. It implies that the information or concept is beyond their level of understanding or intelligence. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of this idiom. 1. Example: during the physics lecture, the professor was discussing advanced quantum mechanics, but it went over my head. I couldn't grasp the concept. Explanation: in this example, the speaker is saying that the topic being discussed was too complex and difficult for them to understand. They were not able to comprehend the advanced concepts of quantum mechanics. 2. Example: the instructions on how to assemble the furniture were so complicated that they went over my head. I had to ask for help. Explanation: this example demonstrates that the speaker found the instructions to be too difficult to understand. The complexity of the instructions exceeded their ability to comprehend, so they had to seek assistance. 3. Example: the professor's explanation of the mathematical theorem went completely over the student's head. They couldn't follow the logic behind it. Explanation: in this case, the student was unable to understand the professor's explanation of the mathematical theorem. The explanation was too complex for the student's level of understanding, and they couldn't grasp the logic behind it. 4. Example: the discussion about advanced coding techniques went over my head. I am still a beginner in programming. Explanation: this example highlights that the speaker, being a beginner in programming, could not comprehend the discussion about advanced coding techniques. The topic was beyond their current level of knowledge and expertise. Overall, the idiom, go over your head, is used to convey the idea of not being able to understand something because it is too difficult or complex. It implies that the information or concept being discussed is beyond the person's level of comprehension.